Okay, so first and foremost, Ashley, I just wanted to say thank you for allowing me to be a part of the Live Well JA, well, Live Well Jamaica intern for July to October. It has been a blast, and honestly, you have definitely helped me to come out of my shell. Even when there were moments that I really wanted to just crawl right back, you were definitely there to help me and say, "Come on, Sade, you can do it." That's why I chose this filter. I was going to do it from a normal camera, but I was like, I know a filter that says something that Ashley would always say, "You can." So thank you so much. You really, really, really brought us, or you allowed us to grow as an individual. Truly, I am more outspoken. I am more comfortable speaking publicly. Not fully, but that is not on your part, on mine. Thank you so much. Not on your part at all. It's definitely on mine. So I just want to say you are definitely a great teacher, and I want you to continue to do this for media interns, for persons who would like to work in the media, for persons who want to just grow or learn a new skill. Like right now within the quarantine, as I know mental TLC would tell us, learn a skill. So it really helped me get through quarantine. Um, Keeping me busy. I was never not occupied. So I just want to say on behalf of the Live Well media interns for July to October 2020, we are truly appreciative of this experience, Ashley. And for the newcomers for October to December, or I think to January, we wish you all the best. You'll have fun and stay strong. Our theme was survival, so you're definitely going to be surviving, but get a theme that shows that you stand out throughout the 2020. All right, bye guys.